An unfinished book is a kind of failure. That's what we are taught somewhere along the way. But I want to say something that might quietly take a weight off some of you. You do not have to finish a book for it to have done its job. This thought that an unfinished book is failure for us is a pile of guilt with a bookmark in it. I understand where that comes from, but bibliotherapy doesn't work that way, and I'll tell you specifically why. The therapeutic moment in a book is rarely the ending, it's a sentence, a single piece of dialogue, a description of a feeling so precise you have to put the book down for a second. Not because you're bored, but because something just clicked. That moment can happen on page 12. It can happen in a book you abandon the next day for reasons that have nothing to do with what it already gave you. I think about this differently depending on why someone stopped. If you stopped because the book genuinely stopped working for you, wrong pace, wrong tone, wrong moment in your life, that's not failure, that's accuracy. You noticed something true about the fit between you and the book, and you acted on it instead of pushing through out of guilt. If you stopped because something in the book got close to something you weren't ready to feel yet, now that's worth paying attention to. Not as a sign to force yourself back in immediately, but as information. Sometimes a book finds the edge of what you can hold right now, and putting it down is the correct response, not the weak response. It might be exactly the right book again, but just not yet. What actually matters, completion aside, is where you let yourself notice what already happened. If a sentence reached you on page 12, that's the bibliotherapy. Write it down, sit with it for a minute or more. The book did its work whether or not you ever turned to page 13. Finishing is a habit we were taught to value. Recognition is the actual currency here, and recognition doesn't care how many pages it took to arrive.